Semrush conducted a study based on usage of Google and usage of ChatGPT. More specifically, how people used Google before and after they started using ChatGPT. And what they discovered is people actually use Google more once they start using ChatGPT. And that is incredibly important to us because we've had this fear over the last year or two that ChatGPT was coming on and AI platforms were coming on so strong that traditional search would just go away. Once you start using ChatGPT, there's really not an interest in using anything else. But that is exactly the opposite of what we're seeing. In fact, when people start using ChatGPT, they use Google more. So it's not one or the other. You actually use both, and you use both more as a result.